wet, nasty day over here in Porterville. Yeah, we're supposed to be getting a pretty, well, all day today as far as I know. I think the next couple of days. And that's turning to snow. Let me move this back out. Lake Porterville. So yeah, good day to try to get something done out in the shop, garage, pole barn. I think them aluminum rims, then we're going to go in and start tearing them apart. We got two copper brass radiators there. We got some coolers there. Sealed unit, another cooler there. Got to pull the plastic off and cut the ends and what have you. Some copper there. Tin pile. This is something. Look how that one curves. I don't see that very often. These wrenches here, them are really awesome. Debbie got me them. But I've been using them to pull the, see if I can find the right one. To pull these sealed units off. Of course, I got the camera on. They're probably going to be the stubborn ones. Yeah, that's what's going to happen. Anyway, they work really good for that when you break them loose. We got that one. Has some rust on these ones. Most of them, they don't rust. I like the ones with the pins in it, you know. You just usually pop the pins out a lot easier. These are all drained. There's no, they don't work. There's no Freon in them. They need recharged. I tried them. I went through them, and usually the good ones I'll resell. That one's rusty. Of course, one hand don't help neither, but there we got it. Anybody ain't ever seen these things, they get the, probably everybody has, but they got the ratchet in there. You want to loosen it, go one way. If you want to tighten it, you flip it over. I've wanted these for a long time. I've got a few around, but I like the whole set. And I like the short handles. I don't have any with the short handles. Yeah, I think that one's stripped. Oh, I got my door open over there. I guess I was trying to let some light in here. Yeah, I was going to try to clean this stuff with a dump truck in here, and I thought that ain't going to have enough room to do nothing. It takes up quite a bit of room when you're cluttered like I am. Only thing is, you don't get a lot of leverage with these, but they sure speed the job up. This is the first one I've had that was this tight on here. I've got a few of these. They're pretty much, I take them apart. I get all the guts off them, then I go through and get them, and usually I start with the bigger ones, and that way I can get my scrap and stuff out of the way so I'm not tripping over it. Another thing I do is, like, if they got screws in them, I'll do all the ones with the screws in it instead of keep changing from a metal screw to a bit. Yeah, these are pretty cool. She got metric and standard. They were Harbor Freight, like I think it was $50 for both sets. There's one in there. I'll get that after I get it stripped down more. Yeah, it's cold out. It ain't terrible cold, but I'm out here sweating. A little while ago I went in the house. My glasses are all steaming up. Got the lights on. I got a couple lights in here, but building ain't lit up real good. There's a big old sealed unit there. And I got this set here. I just bought these at Harbor Freight. They're handy. You can keep them in your pocket, keep track of them. Hopefully, you don't have to chase one down. I bought one of the bigger hammers. Feel the heat coming out of that? That's that back porch and stuff off the old new building. Making use of that, getting some heat out of it. It ain't really that cold as far as lighting it, but kind of takes a lot of the dampness out. This is one of them window air conditioners. At least I think that's what that is. There's probably a few more of these around here, but I think I ended up with 14 of them. So that's what the Junkin' Fool is doing over here in Porterville today, just picking away at these. Another thing I try to do is keep a coffee can to throw the screws in. And that Phillips I got on there has got a magnet on it. And these are magnetized too, so if you don't want to, you just smack them to the side and they'll fall off. I try to get the majority of them in the can, then when I'm done I'll come through here to magnet and grab them. And yep, got something to do on a nasty day out. It's going to be that way for another 2 or 3 days, so I'll probably do another video. I'll come out and cut some of these ends off when I get them all apart and make a spot. And probably take my tent outside and get my copper wire together. Maybe I'll do a little bit of my wire stripper. Wire that up and show people how it works if they don't already have one. And thinking about buying one. And I really need to clean this area here up. I had that truck in here and I couldn't get around the front of it. Actually, I need to clean the whole garage up by getting there, but that's my winter project. Come out here and clean this stuff up and pick away and try to get something accomplished. I'm not really bringing a lot of stuff in now, but I sure do got a lot of stuff that I got to take care of and get out of here sometime or another. I'm going to take a walk outside and see if I see any more air conditioners. I'm going to bring some of these aluminum tires in. They're going to probably go in when the air conditioners go in. I got a few of them. I got to break off the rims. There's 3 right there. This is my tin area, some of it. For now anyway. It's almost empty. That's a waste of space there. A couple shells out here. There's some water there. Some siding over there on the ground. I need to get over here and put aluminum. Yeah, we dug around out here yesterday. got that truck out and got them inside with the big doors open. It made it a lot easier than try to get them through the small door. One of these days I'm going to get organized. That's my whole reason for pulling my ads out, so I could get organized. We got a lot going on, it seems like, all the time. Got a bunch of computers under here, a lot of stainless. Hard to be motivated when these prices are so low, but usually taking the higher dollar stuff. This corner seemed like there's a bunch of cans, and this corner seemed like the corner to start with. I don't like it getting up against the old building. Anybody don't know, that track right there runs through both sides of the building, where you can back up here the truck and load an engine. I got a trolley in there. It's like 35 foot long. And I was actually bringing it up that hill right there and took that wire right there off my house. I had it chained to the bucket of my loader and ripped the power right out of there. The sparks were flying. And all I knew is I was sitting on rubber tires and didn't want to jump off that. And the cat run over there was going to bite it. The cat we had a long time ago. And I yelled at him and he stopped. And it was a holiday weekend, and actually they was out here within an hour and hooked it up. And they said they could charge me holiday pay and something else. They didn't charge me nothing, but yeah, it slipped up and took that wire right out the house. They fixed it. Called a friend of mine and said, "What do I do?" He said, "Don't touch it, call consumers." Well, I did. I wasn't going to touch it anyway, but there's an aluminum rim right there. There's an aluminum rim. I was going to get these in here before this snow comes down. There's some out back. A lot of junk around here. A lot of good junk. All garbage. It's all worth something to somebody, even if it's a scrapyard. Anyway, this is Junk and Fool over here in Porterville on this wonderful day. Hope everybody's situated if they got this kind of weather where they don't got to be out. And if you do, be careful. Thanks for stopping by Porterville. Have a great day. Keep warm.